Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make some beautiful Tandoori Kingfish kebabs. First thing up, barbecue the tomatoes. Season with a little bit of salt. I'm using lime salt. I'm using fish. I want to bring out the citrus with the lime salt. Turn them over. See that nice beautiful charred color? That's what I want. Season one more time. Oh, that didn't work, did it? It just slid straight off. Remove these now. So when you have already, wow, such a wonderful base to your marinade or sauce, you know it's going to turn out really, really nice. Okay, so pound that. You can use a blender if you don't have one of these. So Kashmiri chili, any red chili will do if you don't have. Green chili, red chili, ginger paste, garlic paste, I just give that a nice pound together like that to infuse all those flavors. Mace, bay leaves, chopped cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, malt vinegar, oil. I'm using my garlic oil. Sea salt, and the sea salt is mixed with lime skin. So 70% lime skin, 30% sea salt. The lime skin is dried in the oven or in the sun. In my case, the sun, because I'm in the Caribbean. If you happen to be living in the UK, perhaps on the conservatory or in the oven on low and slow, as long as you can get it for about an hour. Right, mix these ingredients. That should be ready. Let's have a taste. Oh, wow. When that marinates for a few hours, that's going to be spectacular, folks, spectacular. Right, the fish. I've been down the fish market this morning, got some beautiful kingfish. So let's give that a marinate like so. And you leave these to rest for a minimum of 2 hours. I'm going to leave this for about 4 hours. So I've been barbecuing my limes like so. And when you barbecue your limes, it brings out all the sweetness in the lime. Place them on a skewer like so. And pop them on the grill. Turn them over. And baste them with some butter. A little bit of extra lime salt. Wow, those flavors are incredible. The smells, the aromas are super. Keep basting with butter every time you turn it. These won't take long, they'll take about 5 minutes, not more. So the fish is ready. Place the remainder on the barbecue. So I've got my chief taster, Charlie, here, and she's going to tell me the truth. There you go, sweetheart. Put that there for you. Now, a bit of lime, just for that extra, pardon me, extra citrus on my fish. How is it?
Divine.
Divine. Speak up. Speak up. How is it? She won't speak with her mouth full. Good girl.
Divine.
Divine. Divine. Wonderful. Divine. This is from my new cookbook, the Thai. I was just putting out reviews from my Thai cookbook for viewers this morning. I've got the Thai book on my brain. This is from my new cookbook, the Exotic Barbecue Book. You can find some wonderful recipes from Southeast Asia, Middle East, North Africa and the Caribbean. All these wonderful places I've been fortunate enough to work and live. And lots of barbecue sauce recipes, lots of chili and lots of ketchup recipes too. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Especially Chef Sherlock, my Facebook page, that's the epicenter where everything happens. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, very important. Then you get to know when my videos are out and come and watch a premiere with me and ask me questions. Thanks for watching, folks, and bon appetit.